The angels confirm, trust in divine timing even when your love seems uncertain. Your true soulmate knows that. You were not a coincidence. You were a response. Your soul didn't come to this life by chance, dear. Every breath you take, every heartbeat, has been a divine whisper, a prayer answered long before you even knew what to ask for. You are the manifestation of a cosmic wish, the centerpiece of a greater plan that unfolds with grace and purpose. The angels say that your journey, your pains, and your joys are golden threads weaving a destiny that transcends time and space. Don't be misled into thinking that the love you seek or the connection you long for is the result of chance. The meeting of souls is not a lottery. It is a celestial choreography, meticulously rehearsed by the stars and blessed by the Creator. You were sent with your unique light to awaken, to heal, to love in a way only you can. Your presence is already a prophecy, a sign for those who are destined to cross your path. Feel this truth resonate in every cell of your being. You are chosen, a bearer of love and transformation. The universe conspires in your favor, and every experience, as challenging as it may seem, is a step towards the full manifestation of your divine purpose. Trust that there is a greater plan, a future filled with hope, and a love that awaits the perfect moment to reveal itself in its entirety. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Jeremiah 29. Cleven, his silence is not empty. It is a sacred time of healing. How many times have you found yourself lost in the echo of silence, interpreting it as abandonment, disinterest, or the end of everything? Dear soul, the angels whisper that silence has its own language, a depth that spoken words rarely reach. It is not an emptiness to be filled, but a sacred space where invisible transformations take place. This silence that troubles you so much is not a rejection, but a preparation. It's the universe working behind the scenes, realigning energies, healing wounds that have yet to be exposed to the light. It is, perhaps unknowingly, in its own process of purification, detaching from old patterns, confronting its own shadows so that it can emerge more whole, more ready for the love that you represent. The angels say that you don't need to fill every gap with anxiety. Allow silence to be a balm, not a torture. It is working in your favor, even if your human eyes cannot discern the details. Trust that in this space of stillness, seeds of a more beautiful future are being planted, and what seems to be a pause is, in fact, an essential movement toward reconnection. He feels everything, but still doesn't know how to show it. You wonder about what's going on in his heart, don't you? The truth, my beloved, is that he feels. He misses you, feels the connection, senses the depth that you brought to his life. But like many, he may be caught in a complex dance between what his heart longs for and what his mind, shaped by past experiences, allows him to express. The angels reveal that his soul recognizes yours. There is an invisible bond, a resonance that pulls him back, even when he tries to pull away. What you perceive as hesitation or distance is often an internal battle, the fear of surrendering again, the insecurity of feeling inadequate, the struggle against wounds that have yet to heal. He may not have the right words or the courage to show the fullness of what he feels. But his energy, his essence, his light have already touched you deeply. You are a mirror for him, reflecting the possibility of a pure and true love, and that can be daunting for a soul that is still learning to trust. Have compassion for this silent journey he is also undertaking. You healed him without even trying. Your presence is the balm. There is a strength in you, dear, that transcends what you can see or touch. Your essence, your energy, your soul carry a healing power that effortlessly radiates. The angels confirm. Your presence in his life has been a balm, a ray of light that penetrated the layers of pain and disillusionment he carried. You healed him without even trying, simply by being who you are. Do not underestimate the impact of your authenticity, your kindness, your ability to love. These qualities are like fresh water for a thirsty soul, and he has absorbed them deeply. Even if he doesn't verbalize it, even if he doesn't openly show it, the seed of healing has been planted in his heart through you. This is your power, my beloved. It is not something you need to seek externally, but something that resides intrinsically in your being. Your light is a beacon, and it will draw to you all that is meant to be yours, including a love that recognizes and values that innate capacity to transform and uplift. Trust in your own magic, in your own divinity. What you see in him already exists in you. Look at the love you project, at the qualities you admire, at the depth you long for. The angels reveal a profound truth. What you perceive in another, especially in your soulmate, is a reflection of what already resides in you. He is a divine mirror, showing you the beauty, the strength, the capacity to love that you already possess. If you see in him the capacity for unconditional love, it's because that unconditional love is already pulsing in your own heart. If you admire his resilience, it's because you yourself are a warrior of light. Every virtue you recognize in him is an echo of your own essence, a reminder of your limitless potential. This connection is not just about finding your other half, it's about discovering wholeness within yourself. He came to show you how vast and magnificent you are, to guide you back to your own divinity. Don't seek outside for what is already within. Embrace the reflection, celebrate your own light, and know that the love you desire is, above all, the love that you are. What seems like a delay is God preparing. Patience is a virtue valued by heaven, and waiting, my dear, isn't a punishment but a period of divine gestation. The angels whisper that what your human eyes interpret as delay, as lost time, is actually a sacred process of preparation. God is working, not only in you but in all circumstances and in every heart involved. Don't rush to judge the universe's timing. It operates in a dimension that transcends our linear understanding. Each passing day, every challenge that arises, every lesson learned is shaping you, strengthening you, aligning you with the highest version of yourself. And he, your soulmate, is also going through his own process of refinement. Have the courage to wait, not with anxiety, but with faith. Know that every moment is divinely orchestrated for your greater good. The love you deserve, the connection you long for, is being carefully prepared to manifest at the perfect moment when both of you are truly ready to receive and honor it. Surrender your wounds to the heavens. They will be transformed into stars. There is a profound beauty in vulnerability, dear soul. It is in the act of exposing your wounds, of accepting your scars, that you allow divine light to enter and perform the deepest healing. There is no shame in carrying the marks of past battles. They are testimonies of your strength, of your ability to overcome. The angels invite you to surrender every pain, every disillusionment, every fear to the heavens. Do not try to hide them or minimize them. Allow the loving energy of the universe to envelop and transfigure them. What appears to be an open wound today may tomorrow become a guiding star on your path, a source of wisdom and compassion. Accepting your vulnerability is not weakness. It is the purest form of courage. It is recognizing your humanity and at the same time your divinity. By embracing all parts of yourself, you become a beacon of authenticity, attracting a love that does not fear your shadows but illuminates them with the same intensity it celebrates your light. Do not fear, for I am with you. Do not be dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you, I will help you, and I will uphold you with my righteous right hand, Isaiah 41:10. Each of your steps is whispered by the angels. You are never alone, my beloved. At every crossroads, in every decision, in every moment of uncertainty, the angels are by your side, whispering guidance, illuminating your path. Feel their presence, the gentle energy surrounding you, the intuition that guides you. Your path is divinely guided, even when it seems dark. Trust the signs, the small miracles of everyday life, the synchronicities that seem like coincidences. They are messages from heaven, confirmations that you are exactly where you need to be, learning what you need to learn. Do not doubt the inner wisdom that resides within you, for it is the voice of your spiritual guides. Allow yourself to surrender to the divine current, knowing that it will take you exactly where you need to go. Every step, no matter how small, is part of a greater plan, a map traced with love and precision. Let faith be your compass, and the assurance that you are loved and protected be your safe harbor. Trust in the Lord with all your heart, and do not lean on your own understanding. In all your ways acknowledge Him, and He will make straight your paths. Proverbs 3:5-6. The right love does not bind, it guides. Often, we confuse love with possession, control, and the need to have the other person close at all costs. But the angels reveal that true love, soul love, does not imprison. On the contrary, it liberates. It is a force that elevates, inspires, and guides you and the other toward the most authentic and fulfilled versions of yourselves. The love you are destined to experience will not be a gilded cage, but a vast sky where both of you can soar. It will honor your individuality, celebrate your freedom, and encourage your growth. It will be a safe harbor, yes, but also a springboard for new adventures and discoveries. Be free to love, and allow the love that comes into your life to be free as well. Do not try to mold the other into your image, nor diminish yourself to fit someone else's expectations. Divine love is expansion, unconditional acceptance, the dance of two souls choosing each other every day, not out of necessity, but pure and joyful desire. Your soulmate knows that you are home, and home always waits. Feel the stillness of certainty, my dear. The journey may have been long, the detours confusing, but the divine promise remains unwavering. Your true soulmate, at their deepest core, knows that you are home. Not a physical place, but the resonance, peace, and unconditional acceptance they seek. And home, by its very nature, always waits. The angels confirm that the connection you share is eternal and unbreakable. It transcends circumstances, distances, and fears. There is a golden thread that binds you, and it will always guide you back to one another. No force can break what heaven has united. Prepare your heart for the reunion, not with anxiety, but with the calmness of one who knows that what is rightly yours will come. The love you dream of, the partnership you long for, is manifesting. It is on its way, guided by the same light that illuminates your own being. Trust, receive, and know that the promise of a full and true love is unfolding in your life. Love bears all things, believes all things, hopes all things, endures all things. 1 Corinthians 13:7.